15.
Rough igniter. Rough ignition.
T-minus 10.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We have ignition of the RS-68 main engine. 2, 1. And we have liftoff of the Delta IV launch vehicle carrying the WGS-6 satellite for the United States Air Force. The Wideband Global Satcom satellite provides significantly increased capacity for our nation's leaders, warfighters, and international partners.
Covering the initial 1 minute 25 seconds. Standing by for solid rocket motor burnout just a few seconds from now.
Yeah, it's hard to shoot.
And we have burnout standing by for separation. Deprivation of the solid rocket boosters. 1 minute 54 seconds into the flight. The Delta vehicle now only weighs 1/2 of what it did at launch some 2 minutes ago, propelling at the rate of 1,850 pounds per second.
This is Delta Mission Control at T plus 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Steve Agate just confirmed jettison of all 4 solid rocket motors, and the mission continues nominally.